calling case 389-00, people versus Ariana Johnson. Count one, no operator's license on person. Count two, unregistered motor vehicle, and count three, uninsured motor vehicle. Appearance?
Paul Faulkner, P. 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Hello?
Ms. Johnson?
Yes.
Stay quiet for a second. We're on the record in the middle of the case. Hold on 1 second. Ms. Johnson, can you state your name?
Yes, Andreana Johnson.
Yeah, there has been an offer. My client would accept it.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, is it correct you're going to plead to one count, the failure to display a valid operator's license, with the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and anything but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your cases?
Okay.
Did you have an opportunity to speak in
I'm
private?
sorry.
It's okay.
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak in private to Mr. Faulkner about your case?
Yes.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right to a trial, do you wish to continue, Ms. Johnson, to plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to, excuse me. Thank you. I'd like to bring your attention to June 23rd, 2017, around 7:20 p.m. in the area of Hartwell and Bingham in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2003 Chrysler Silver vehicle.
Chrysler Silver vehicle. It was a blue van.
Was it a Chrysler?
Well, it wasn't my car, so I'm not exactly sure, but after later I found out that it was improper plate, so I guess the plate that they had on the car wasn't registered to the car. So
Okay. What type of vehicle were you driving?
it was like a big van. I believe it still was a Chrysler or a Ford. I'm not exactly sure. It was like very old. I think it was like a 1999 though.
Okay, that was June 23rd, 2017.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no. I'm sorry. You're right. It was a Chrysler. It was the gray van. I apologize. You're right.
That's fine. We're jogging your memory. That's why I asked questions. So you were stopped by Detroit Police Department officer? You stopped by Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
Okay, and you failed to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
All
Because
right,
it was in a
we're
house.
done. We got through it. Counsel, are you satisfied? Mr. Faulkner, you got to unmute your phone. I had you muted.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Johnson, I'm going to dismiss the two remaining counts as we discussed. I am going to waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today to the court, okay? Due to the pandemic, I'm giving people.
Posted a bond.
You posted a bond, Ms. Johnson?
Yeah. Maybe a couple months ago I had paid. Well, yeah, a couple months ago.
So I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Thank you. About my license being reinstated.
Yes. So you're going to pay for the reinstatement fees. So after 48 hours, you'll give time to go through the system and be processed. Check with the Secretary of State to see what your status is.
Okay.
Make sense?
Wait till Thursday.
Yep.
So Thursday morning, check that out.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. I could just leave?
Yes. Go
Yeah.
I could just. Oh, okay.
ahead and hang up. Okay, let's do, I have Latasha Johnson's case ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Ms. Johnson.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Mr. Faulkner privately about your case, okay?
Your Honor, what was
Thank you so
the
much.
Yep,
FTD?
you got
Okay.
it. Mr. DeLon Jones. Go ahead and unmute your phone.
Yes.
You are several days early for your trial, your court date.
You said I'm several days early?
Yes, your date is October 21st at 1:30.
She told me September 1st. October?
Today isn't September 1st either. You know that, right? It's better that you're earlier than late, I tell you that, because some people show up late. That's a problem.
I just been so frustrated trying to get this done for months. That's all.
Let me check to see if you have anything tomorrow. I don't think so. Clerk went through and looked at all your stuff.
What's his middle initial, Judge?
What's your middle initial?
M.
Marcel?
Yes.
Nothing, right?
Nothing, Judge. Just the October arraignment day, Your Honor.
So you just have the October 21st, 1:30 arraignment in here.
Okay, I never even got that. So this something new.
You got it now?
Okay, so you say October 21st?
October 21st, 1:30.
So I can't discuss nothing right now.
Oh, for the misdemeanor. You tried to do online. Oh, I see what you did. So you tried to do an online plea for that case. You probably took care of the rest of some of the matters, and there was one that would not accept your plea because it's a misdemeanor. So you have to come before a judge for any misdemeanor counts. You can take care of the civil infractions, like speeding or not stopping the stop sign, but if it's a misdemeanor, you have to go before a judge first. So what it did was automatically rejected your offer online and set a trial date for you. That's how you got the October 21st date.
Okay. But I just got something in the mail saying that I owe $285 for a plea by mail that I put through already.
I see it's very
That's a case previously he pled.
It's a misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor.
We'll take care of that on the 21st. I'll likely close that out for you, Wade, and take that to zero for you, okay?
It was another one though. Like I had another driver with no license like 3 weeks ago.
Not in the system.
It's not in the system yet. We'll take care of all of it on October 21st.
Okay.
Just remind me, Mr. Jones, if I call your case on the 21st and it's only one count, just remind me that you have, another outstanding case, whatever date is going to be set out for, we'll just take care of October 21st. Just remind me you have 3 cases that need to be handled, okay?
Okay. Now this ticket that they sent me, it said I gotta pay it before the 20. It said I gotta pay it before 10/20.
Because he pled guilty by mail, Judge, so that the magistrate said it for him to pay.
That's a civil infraction?
No, Judge, it's a misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor? All right, we'll close that out. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm just trying to understand, so don't worry about it. Okay. October 21st, 8 o'clock.
1:30.
1:30. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Jones. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay.
No, because he really wasn't on the docket.
Okay, I'm getting Ms. Johnson out of the breakout room. Let's see here. Ms. Llewellyn. You have to dig in Llewellyn.
No, Judge, but we do have an Andrew Llewellyn, so I don't know if he's calling from.
Okay, to the person with the LG Stylo 4, can you please state your name? time, I can't hear you.
Johnson.
I'm gonna disconnect you and call back in.
Johnson.
Your audio, say it again.
I'm trying to get this.
I'm gonna disconnect you, call back in, because the audio is really bad. Okay, let's take care of Ms. Johnson. Calling case P 812-825, the people versus Latasha Johnson. Count 1, driving while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance.
Also, I'm the representative defendant. And your name, ma'am?
Latasha Johnson.
Your Honor, Ms. Johnson states she's got a third ticket the same day.
For what? You know,
Hello?
just stay quiet, sir. I just need you to be quiet. Just hold on. We're in the middle on the record on the case, okay?
Sorry.
What's your name?
Kenya Johnson.
His last name is Johnson. What's your first name again?
Kenya. Kenya.
Kenya. Okay. Got you checked in, so just hold on, Mr. Johnson, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Judge Sabree, are you looking for 2 counts for Ms. Natasha and
Just one. We have 2, one for driving while license not valid and driving unregistered on time.
Okay.
That's it, right?
Yeah, Judge Ferguson was trying to treat that.
Ms. Johnson, that's all she has. 2 counts.
Okay. She thought she had paid out everything else off. She took advantage of the offer, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm looking right here, Ms. Johnson, on the screen, the clerk's screen. You only have these 2 counts left.
Okay.
And is it correct you're gonna plead guilty to the amended charge of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner, your attorney, today about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Ms. Johnson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to May 14th, 2018, around 1:32 p.m. in the area of Grand River and Schaefer in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2004 Chevy blue vehicle.
Yes.
Were you stopped by Detroit Police Department office?
Yes, I was.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, I did.
And satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I am as well. I will accept your guilty plea. And I will amend the charge to failure to display. As we discussed, I will dismiss the remaining count. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
No stipulate.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, as I stated before, I'm going to waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, for this case you just pled guilty to. So I saved you about $290. Did you post a bond?
I'm not sure what exactly it was. However, what I did was I went to a kiosk and I just paid off everything that it said for me to pay. So I'm not sure if it should be taken care of.
Okay, so if you did post a bond, I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you. If you did not post a bond, you're gonna have to pay reinstatement fees to the Secretary of State, okay?
Okay.
And you can pay on 30.
So how long is it that I should check with Secretary of State?
48 hours. It should be updated within 48 days today, okay? And it make it easier.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. And it's easier, you can check on 36th District Court's website if you have any issues with getting through to the Secretary of State. You can just Google 36th District Court, and it'll be like the first link on Google. Does that
Okay.
make sense?
Yeah. Thank you so much. I just wanted to make sure that I got it taken care of.
Yep, you did. Those are the only two we saw on there.
Okay.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
So you are all set. You have a good day.
You have a wonderful day. Thank you, Mr. Faulkner. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Let's do Miss Jordan.
Someone
Good
said,
morning, Miss Jordan.
Good morning, Judge.
I have here Mr. Faulkner, an offer for the U case for a 3-month delayed sentence. And for the failure to display, I can dismiss that one due to the age of the ticket.
why was he charged on the U ticket?
Giving false felony or misdemeanor report.
False report? Okay. Delayed sentence. Okay.
Okay, Miss Jordan, I'm going to put you into a breakout room to talk to Mr. Faulkner about your cases, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Okay, we got a Darrell Gordon.
And Mr. Johnson is driving.
Okay, we'll call him when he's not driving. And then I think Andrew Llewellyn might be the person. Is somebody there with the last name Llewellyn? Can you unmute your device, please, Mr. or Mrs. Llewellyn?
Hi, Your Honor. This is Andrew Flewell.
Good morning, Mr. Llewellyn. Can you put the camera down so we can see your face? There we go. Okay. I'm going to change your name from Vivian to Andrew, okay?
That's my sister-in-law.
I figured it wasn't you. There we go. So I have you checked in, so as soon as we get your file, I'll get you in line to speak to a lawyer, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put you back on mute. When you hear your name, just unmute your phone, okay? Or your device. Okay.
We don't have an offer, Judge. You want me to take it to prison? Bless you. Every time it comes. You know what? I didn't call all morning long. As soon as I walked in the door, I had to call. You know, I know. There's something. I'm smoking a cigarette every 2 seconds the way I call in here.
All right, so chat it out loud if you can take the seat out. Okay. Mr. Barber has to count the seat. Okay, we ready on Miss Jordan? Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. This is the People versus Angelica Jordan, calling case 124028073, failure to display a valid operator's license, and U 974-62213, giving false felony or misdemeanor appearance.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Angelica Jordan.
Your Honor, there's an offer. My client will plead no contest because the case is so old she can't remember.
Okay, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. So because it's a new contest plea, I don't have to walk you through and ask you any questions about what happened, okay? So I'm going to accept a no contest plea on the basis of lack of memory. Is there a stipulation to the face the ticket for the for the guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Jenkins, that was easy. I accept your guilty plea, and I'm going to adopt the recommendation for a 3-month delay sentence, which means that after 3 months, if you don't pick up any other cases, this will automatically be dismissed from your record, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm going to waive your fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything for that case you pled guilty to. And also, the remaining count for the failure to display, I am just dismissing that outright because of the age of the ticket is 8 years old, okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you so
So
much.
at the end of this, you should have both of these dismissed, as long as you don't pick up any misdemeanors, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you can handle that, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying, Judge. I'm trying to get everything together right now. That's what I'm working on.
Good. You have any questions?
No, I did pay bonds for both of those though. So do they go over to my reinstatement?
Yeah. We'll apply to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail. Okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Lock the door.
Okay. Where did Mr. King go?
Like technical
He's driving.
Oh, so that would, signal would go
Driving everywhere.
Would be a problem.
Let's see, Mr. Llewellyn has 1, 2, 3. Let's do Mr. Llewellyn since we have an offer ready on his. So Mr. Llewellyn, go ahead and unmute your device. Mr. Llewellyn, you gotta hit unmute on your, oh, there you go. You got some help. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to talk to Mr. Faulkner. He's your attorney for today, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So when you see invitation, it'll be an invitation to go into a breakout room, accept it. It'll be a green light, green button, press it, okay? Do you see it?
They're going to break down. The green.
Mr. Faulkner's for failure to display, by the way.
Oh, how many charges total?
3.
Okay.
Mr. Foreman?
Yes.
I need you to turn
Oh
on your
my
video.
God. Wait a minute.
I just requested that you do, so you should see it pop up. There we go.
Okay.
Good morning.
I'm here.
I just wanted to make sure your audio and video was working before I called your case, so we won't have any delay when the next case is over, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions in the meantime?
No.
Okay, so you'll be next up.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you on mute until then, okay?
Okay.
This is our Mondays.
One day, like,
That's just two.
it's just two.
Hey, guess what? Oh, well.
That's what I said. But honestly, the way they want, that's how they get people to school. So
And if you
I'm
had
like,
25 people, you had 25 people.
you say it is what it is.
You had 75 people.
Oh God, no.
You remember what we
Oh, you just said a bad word. What was our walk-in day? Monday, wasn't it? It was a Monday walk-in day. Oh, I dreaded Monday.
So we're trying to never go back to that. Trying to be able to allow people to post bonds online, but you can get a court date versus coming here to.
It's more control. It's out of control.
It was, I mean, how you do 75 people?
And every 3 hours, 6 tickets or more.
I don't remember what time so if you want to go home,
Come back.
come back Monday, we'll just lift your worry, I promise.
He was like, I want to see it.
People like, nope, I'm staying.
Oh God.
Promise.
I never looked up. Like, how many left?
Okay, I'm getting, there we go. Okay, Mr. Llewellyn. Calling case P 1006872, the people versus Andrew James Llewellyn. Count 1, driving while license not valid or proper license. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. Appearance?
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Andrew Llewellyn.
Your Honor, there's been an offer. My client would accept and plead guilty to failure to display.
Mercy.
Thank you.
Of them.
Mr. Llewellyn, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner about your case today in private?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
I'm guilty.
You understand, Mr. Llewellyn, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to July 9th, 2019, around 4:13 p.m. in the area of Chicago and St. Mary's in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2003 Ford black vehicle?
Yes.
And were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied? I have to unmute you, sorry. You were muted again, Mr. Faulkner.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, you accept your guilty plea, Mr. Llewellyn. I will make the amendment to a 0-point offense of failure to display a valid operator's license and dismiss the 2 remaining. Is there a stipulation of probable cause, Mr. Faulkner?
No stipulate.
Okay, and Mr. Llewellyn, I'm going to go ahead and waive your fines and costs so you don't have to pay anything today to the court, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you post the bond?
No. No.
Okay. So you're going to have to pay reinstatement fees to the Secretary of State for this case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that'll be for 3 counts, $45 a count, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Johnson, I see you have parked your car and you are finally in a place to be able to handle your case. Okay. So we're gonna take care of Mr. Foreman, then we'll get to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Foreman, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put you into a breakout room with Attorney Faulkner to talk to him about your case, okay?
Okay.
And the plea, Your Honor?
Failure to display.
got her? Yeah. You have the failure to display? Okay. Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Foreman, go ahead and accept the invitation. It should have popped up on your screen.
I'm good, how are you?
Okay, Mr. Kansas.
Weren't you just on the screen, man? Were you just? Here, oh, okay, hold on just a second.
I have Kansas.
Oh. The car. And then the cases that were in front of Judge Sabree were handled and those are closed as far as processing your bond, that's a different area.